Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password on Dropbox. To change your password on Dropbox, you'll need to go visit Dropbox.com website since you will not be able to change your password within the Dropbox application. So go ahead and open up a web browser on your device and then in the URL box type in Dropbox.com and search. You will then end up in the homepage of Dropbox. Make sure that you are logged in using your credentials, and once you are in, tap on your name initial at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. After you tap open the Settings menu, this will bring up this Personal Accounts tab. Click on Security from the top. Now, where you see Password option, tap on Change Password right next to it. Enter your old password or your current password in the first box associated with your Dropbox account, and then on the next field, type down a new password. Make sure to type in a strong password, and once you are done, click on the Change Password button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your Dropbox account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.